everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we'll be doing some lemon decor DIYs. I'm currently redoing my kitchen and getting it ready for spring and summer. So let's go ahead and get into it.
This project was so much fun because it was absolutely free. I have several candles with these wood tops and they make the perfect blank canvas for, in this case, lemons. So I just used a yellow acrylic paint that I had in our craft bin and painted the entire top and sides yellow. If you've watched previous videos, you'll know that I love using these Sharpie paint markers. They're so easy to use and they last for several projects. So in this case, I used white. After making my lines, I curved the insides just a little bit to make them look a little bit more authentic. You could also distress these lemons. That would look really cute and farmhousey. I decided to leave them as they were, and it just brought so much cheer to my kitchen.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Here are what the lemons look like displayed in my kitchen. I also found some more lemon decor at Hobby Lobby and these cute hooks to display things from IKEA. There's also a sneak peek of my cabinets I've painted on the bottom, and I'll soon show a video of more of the kitchen.